first before we put that in. And we see the rear end pieces, we might not bother.
Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So today we're just going to change the diff fluid in the 2016 Camaro. So it's not that complicated, but I figured I'd put the video up anyway.
The biggest thing is one to see what they all look like too.
Okay, so what are you using to get the drain plug out?
It's a 3/8.
Okay, just 3/8.
We got an aftermarket exhaust. Maybe that makes things a little.
So that's the drain plug. Oh well, hold on just a sec. Where's the fill plug?
Right up, just above it here.
They say to always loosen that first, just in case it won't come out.
Yeah, well, it's gonna have to get a. What do you mean, just
make sure that you can loosen it. Yeah, we got her. There's been the odd time that people couldn't get them out, so you drain it and then you can't fill it. I don't know if that drain pan's in the right spot or not, John.
No, it ain't. Yeah.
Is this the first time it's being drained?
That's debatable.
Debatable?
I can't remember if they did it or not, but this is the first time I did it myself. You're supposed to drop the plug in the bowl, aren't you?
Yeah, you try not to, but sometimes it happens.
Jeez, how could I be that far off? It's not a good sign.
She looks good.
Oh, the plug I thought had a little bit of stuff on it. Yeah, there's sludge on there, but
yeah, that's normal though.
Getting the light on her after, see how many sparkles is in there.
Okay, so we're going to refill it with AC Delco Dextron 75W90, and it contains limited slip friction modifier right in it, so we should be good. We don't know exactly how much it holds, but you get 2 jugs, which will be plenty. They'll probably end up with half a jug or more left over. So once you get it all drained out, just put the drain plug back in. There's probably a torque on it, but we don't do things on this channel by torque. We do it by feel.
Finger tight.
Yeah. I'll probably look up the torque spec and just put it on in the video. Like I say, we've done this stuff enough. We don't need the torque wrench.
So upsetting it.
To make it easier, it's good to get one of these little, I don't even know what they call them, but you can suck the fluid up in them and then push it into your diff. Makes it a lot easier to get in. She don't hold much, though, does it?
Well, I think I got a lot of air in it. She wasn't getting it. I got a lot of air. Probably going to take a couple times, get the oil inside, get her so she sucks good.
What you do, you just keep pumping that in until it starts running out, then you know it's full.
Geez, I'm not getting any in it.
Why don't we
take the top off and pour it in.
Yeah, pour it in the first time, and then it should be good after that. This one should do her, I would say. What we're looking for is a steady stream to come out, and once it does, and then she's filled. I think we just hit her. Yeah, that's it. She's full. And then when she's flowing out like that, just put the plug back in her and she's good to go. Like I said, there's probably a torque rating on this, but we just go by feel. If I can find it, I'll put it in the video. Anyway guys, I guess that's good for now. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one.